friends, today we're going to be doing a braided hairstyle, and I've started by pulling back just the front section of hair, and then I'm going to make a part down the center just right underneath this elastic. Now I'm going to take the hair in this half ponytail and I'm going to make some micro braids. You can do as many as you want, it really doesn't matter the amount. Okay, now that we have these braids done in the center, I'm going to make a Dutch braid on each side of her head. On this side, I'm going to be removing strands from the braid, and on this side, I'm going to be adding them back in, and we're going to weave them through these braids as we go. So I'm going to start this braid like I normally would. I'm splitting it into 3, and I'm bringing the outside strands under the middle strand. And I'm going to braid down regularly until I get to the point where I'm lower than this elastic, and then we'll start removing the pieces. Okay, now I'm to the point where I'm going to want to start removing these strands. So I'm just splitting this in half, and I'm going to lay it over the top of her head and then just keep braiding normally. Here I am again on the left side. I'm just going to do this every time all the way down. To the base of her neck, I'm just going to braid this down normally a few times, and then we'll tie it off temporarily. So I'm going to be taking these strands that we left out on this side, and we're going to add them into the braid over here. But before I do that, I'm going to be weaving them through these center braids just to make it easier. So starting with the one on the top, I'm going to take it and I'm going to bring it over this first braid, under the middle braid, and then over the last braid. And then we'll do an opposite all the way down until they're all woven through. I'm just going to hold this strand right here to this braid with this clip until I can get it braided into the other side. Okay, now that I have these all woven through, as you can see, I have each one of these clipped off separately, so I can just undo them one at a time and add these pieces straight into the Dutch braid on the other side. You'll just want to try to keep these strands straight across. So to finish this off, I'm just going to tie everything together here at the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these extra hair ties.
Here's the finished hairstyle. Thanks for watching.